Hi guys, in this video, this is kind of a part 2 of 2700X plus 6060 Ti. The actual 6060 Ti. We didn't do it last time, so we're going to do it now. So let's get unboxing. First thing you notice about the box is, actually that's a sticker. That little 1660s. They've used, used the same box for like 1650, 1650 Ti, 1660, 1660 Ti. So, look, we know this because it's got the 16 series on the back. So, let's open this thing up. This was not a cheap one, but not also an expensive one either. This is the dual fan design from XR8, costing about £251. Yeah, £251. I'll leave Amazon link in the video description. And first thing you notice is the graphics card that kind of falls out on you, and you also get a 8-pin to two 6-pin connectors and some instructions because plugging it in isn't that simple. So let's get rid of the ESD safety bag, which. Well, I thought this is, in case you're wondering. Sorry about the headphone users, I've probably just broken your ears to pieces. So, let's do that, the nice sweet peel. Oh yeah, okay, no, that's not the best peel, but it's not a bad peel. Okay, good enough. There's also a little peely sticker in here. That's pretty satisfying. And there we go. So that's satisfying us over of the entire experience. Also, another thing, it's a single 8-pin, which means it can. The 8 pins are good for, I think it's 150 watts. So that means obviously it doesn't consume more than 150 watts. It said it's recommended 450 watt power supply, but that's including processor, motherboard, RAM, stuff like that. So, although I've noticed that the fans are both spinning the same way, so it's not got the one of them spins this way, one of them spins that way. There's a word for it, but I can't bother to work it out. It's got DisplayPort, HDMI, and DVI. No VGA, but nobody really uses that anymore. It's got 2 heat pipes, it looks like, go for the main GPU, which is totally normal. But also the PCB, so this is the printed circuit board, so this little large chunk here, doesn't actually go through the entire heatsink, which is, it doesn't really matter, but I'm not sure if this GeForce GTX logo is RGB or not, or if it's got green lighting or what, but something like that. And also another thing I noticed is it's using thermal pads instead of thermal paste, which you can see on the side. It's also got frameless fans, so you can see the cables going in here, so it gives it a nice sleek design. And also it's got using a 2-wick PCI Express bracket, and also it does not have a back plate, so you can insert. If you're mounting it sideways, you can put a device right on top of it like a network card. So, thank you for watching this video. Hope I see you in part 3 of 1660 plus 2700X PC build. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.